Jake Ejercito, gustong sampahan ng kaso ang content creator na nag-upload ng video ni Ellie nang walang pahintulot. Kinastigo nga ng kapamilya actor na si Jake Ejercito ang isang content creator dahil sa ginawa nitong pagvi-video. At pag-upload ng naturang video sa social media na walang pahintulot o go signal nila Ellie at ng kanyang mga magulang. Dahil nga dito ay napapost ng sunod-sunod ang kapamilya actor laban sa content creator na si Kris Bryant at say ni Jake. This influencer filmed Ellie without her consent. She did not want to be in his video, let alone be posted by him. Clout chasing should never come at the cost of someone's privacy, especially a minor's. Please report this real. Iginiit pa ni Jake na dapat alam ng mga umano'y influencers ang kanilang limitasyon dahil may mga pagkakataong lumalagpas na raw ang mga ito sa boundaries. Samantala burado naman na ang naturang video sa social media account ng influencer. Ngunit nagkalat pa rin sa social media ang screenshots mula sa video. Makikita nga dito na tinatakpan ni Ellie ang kanyang mukha habang kinukuhanan siya ng video ni Brian. Ayon kay Jake, bagamat wala na at deleted na ang naturang video ay ikinukonsidera pa rin niya ang legal options laban sa content creator. Maraming netizens naman particular na ang kapwa magulang ni Jake ang sumang-ayon sa ginagawang ito ni Jake. Ayon sa kanila, ay proteksyon daw ito para sa bata. Sabi ng isang concerned na fan, "Hello Jake! I'm a fan and follower of your page. I didn't want to leave my comment sa post mo regarding Kris Bryant on exposing Ellie, as I didn't want patulan pa mga comments that support Kris Bryant. I strongly support your decision to take legal action with what Kris Bryant has done kas medyo lumalaki na ulo niya with his vlog, thinking he has the right to say or do anything he wishes just because he has gained some popularity. These vloggers need to learn their lessons kasi ilang beses na yan nakaka-offend ng mga tao sa vlog niya. Anyways, more power to you. I wish you and your family all the best. Keep safe and stay happy." Subalit, marami rin ang nagsabing OA si Jake. May nagsabing, wala naman daw masama sa video, gaya ng isang ito. "You might had a tough day today. When your emotions go back to normal and you calm down, maybe you need to reevaluate everything you feel when you posted this. Because it seems like it's coming out of sudden anger. This video came across my feed yesterday, and I see no problem with it. Your daughter seems to find this guy funny, and murag wala man siya napugos mag-video. The vlogger just said, 'Anak ni Andy,' which is true. Again, if hindi ka na high blood and galit, rethink. After all, your daughter's face is already on the internet even when she was little, and you keep on posting her, and even your cutie convos every now and then. You need to calm down." Ano naman ang say mo dito?